Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm going to show you how to strengthen your shoulders and upper back using a Theraband today. What you're going to do is you're going to sit down in a chair and you're going to take your feet and put them down on the Theraband. You have your seat and you're going to sit down, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pull up. You're going to pull up like this to strengthen this area. And you come up like this to get a nice pull into the upper back. The more you bend over, the more you're going to feel it in your back. And you do about 10 reps, 3 sets of this to get a nice exercise routine and maneuver into the shoulder and the upper back. So try this out. It's really good, especially during the coronavirus pandemic. When you don't have access to a gym, a Theraband can be your best friend. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.